Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some stewed chicken with some broccoli. Yes. I know this recipe is gonna be so good. So in my bowl right here, I've got some leg and thigh that I already washed and cleaned. And these are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and just a teaspoon also of my chicken seasoning. But if you don't have all the seasoning that I'm using, you can always use whatever seasoning you have at home, okay? So first I'm just gonna add some olive oil to my chicken just to keep it nice and moist. Then I'm gonna add at least ½ teaspoon of salt. Then I'm just gonna blend all my seasoning together, and you're just gonna add it on your chicken. I'm not gonna add all of it, just gonna leave back this amount. Then I'm just gonna take my clean hands, and you just want to mix all that seasoning all over on your chicken. Make sure your chicken is nicely coated with all that seasoning, because you want your chicken to be nice and flavorful. So that's good. So these are all of my herbs. Here I have half of onion, 3 cloves of garlic, some fresh thyme, and some spring onion, and just a tiny bit of scotch bonnet pepper, and just a small amount of ginger, okay? So I'm just gonna add it to my chicken, and I won't add everything. I'm gonna add some of my ginger too that I cut. Yeah, that's good. So now I'm gonna add some dark soya sauce. So that's 1 spoon. It's all depend how dark you want it to be. I'm gonna add at least 3 spoons. That should be good. Oops. Now I'm gonna take my hand and just coat it. And you can always leave it to marinate, guys, for at least 30 minutes overnight. But if you want to cook it straight away, you do that, because trust me, it's still gonna taste good, because that's exactly what I'm doing. Sometimes I don't have all that time marinate my meat, and trust me, it still tastes good. Still tastes delicious. So you see how that look nice? Yes. This is how you want it. That's perfect. So this is my broccoli, and this is the amount that I'm gonna use. Yeah, you can use more if you want to, but this is perfectly fine for me. So in my bowl right here, I've got at least 1 cup of warm water, and I also have 2 spoons of granulated sugar and some cornstarch, at least 3 spoons, okay? So first I just want to add some dark soya sauce to my water. I'm gonna add at least 2, okay? Just gonna stir it all in. Then I'm gonna add my sugar and my cornstarch. I'm gonna add 1 more spoon of my dark soya sauce so it look more darker. And I'm also gonna add my remaining seasoning. I'm gonna mix it all in. And at least ½ teaspoon of salt. If you see that it need any more dark soya sauce, you can always add a bit more. And you can always just give it a bit of taste. If you need any more sugar, you can also add at least 2 spoons of sugar, okay? But if you don't need any more sugar, you just leave it as it is, because you don't want it to be too sweet. Yeah, but that's perfect. So here I have my pot on the stove, and to my pot I add at least 2 teaspoons of olive oil. So now I'm gonna add my chicken, okay? And you're just gonna allow it to saute, guys, for at least 5 to 6 minutes, okay? Just gonna leave it as that. So just after 5 minutes, I'm just gonna flip over my chicken. And as you can see, it is nice and browned. And that's exactly how you want it. See that? So yummy. Just gonna leave it for another 5 minutes. So it is nicely browned. So now I'm just gonna mix it all in. That looks so good. Delicious. So you see my bowl right here? I'm just gonna pour all my liquid. And I'm just gonna add it to my chicken. Oh my goodness, this right here is food prawn. It looks so good, guys, like seriously. I'm gonna add all my remaining herbs. And I'm also gonna add some more of my dark soya sauce. And I'm gonna leave it, guys, for at least 15 minutes. Okay? So guys, I'm just gonna boil my broccoli for at least 2 minutes. Okay? And you can add just a pinch of salt and it is ready. Do not let your broccoli overcook because you don't want it to be too soft. Yeah? So this is what it looks like, guys, just after 15 to 20 minutes. As you can see, the gravy is all thickened up, and that's exactly how you want it. Okay, I did not cover my pot, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna allow it to cook for at least another 15 minutes. Okay, and it is ready, and my stove is on a medium heat. I mean, just look at it. It looks mouth-watering. Trust me. This recipe is a must try. It is absolutely delicious. So just after 15 to 20 minutes, that's what it look like. And guys, trust me, it looks so good. And it smell amazing. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add my broccoli. Make sure you drain off all the excess water from your broccoli, okay? And you're just gonna leave it, guys, on a low heat for at least 2 to 3 minutes. And it is ready. No longer than that. So my stewed chicken and broccoli is all finished, and guys, it came out so perfectly. Please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share this video to all of your families, your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Guys, honestly, I work so hard just to get these videos out for you guys. So please support my YouTube channel. And if you have been supporting my YouTube channel, I just want to thank you all so much. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna plate it up and show you guys how it looks on the plate. Okay, so stay tuned. So that's my rice there with some mixed vegetable, because you know rice and chicken and with broccoli, I know that's gonna go perfectly. And guys, you can serve it with whatever you prefer, but rice is a must. Okay, So it is all plated up, and guys, honestly it was super delicious. I give this recipe 10 out of 10. And guys, if you do try this recipe, please comment below and tell me what it's like, okay? I thank you all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit your notification button, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Until next time, bye, stay blessed. Don't forget to keep laughing, keep smiling no matter what, because God is always on your side. Bye guys, love ya.